Peritoneal dialysis. Introduction. The kidneys filter harmful substances out of the blood. Select true or false. Correct. Harmful substances called toxins are sent out of the body in the urine. During PD, the dextrose in the dialysis solution works with the tiny blood vessels in the peritoneum to remove wastes from blood. Select true or false. Correct. Peritoneal dialysis does the work of the kidneys by removing waste from blood. The time the dialysis solution remains in the abdomen between exchanges is called the dwell time. Select true or false. Correct. Continuous ambulatory peritoneal dialysis uses a machine to clean the blood during the day. Select true or false. Correct. No machine is needed for CAPD. CCPD uses a machine to cleanse the blood at night while you sleep. Once the most effective dialysis schedule is found, the schedule will not change. Select true or false. Correct. Changes may be made to the amount of exchanges, the amount of solution used, or the amount of dextrose in the solution. Which of the following are possible complications of peritoneal dialysis? Choose one of the following options. 1. Hernia. 2. Infection. 3. Weight gain. 4. All of the above. Correct. These are all possible complications of peritoneal dialysis. Thank you for using Explain.